Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter promo codes in Roblox Mobile. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Roblox application. Here it is. And then at the bottom right you need to click on the More button. And then you need to scroll to the bottom of this page and find Help and Safety button. Here it is. And then click on the first one option, Help. After that you need to wait a little bit, and then if you see this message you need to click on the Accept button and then click on the search bar and type Redeem and then search button. After that you need to click on the first one link, how to redeem and spend your gift card. Here it is. And then you will see this link, you need to press and hold on it and then select all this link. Then click on the copy button. After that you need to go to any of your browsers, can be Google Chrome or Safari browser, and then in the search bar you need to enter this link, like this. After that you need to wait a little bit, and then you need to log in your Roblox account. Then click on the login button. After that you will see this interface, and then in this interface you need to click on the code text bar, and then in this text box you need to enter your promo code. And after that you need to click on the this little square and then click on the redeem button, and after that your promo code will be activated. And that's all, and that's how to enter promo codes in Roblox Mobile. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.